Welcome to the TunesKit. Today's video will show you how to fix iPhone green screen. If you just updated iOS 18 and encounter this situation, continue watching the video. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Method 2. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Open iTunes and select the icon for the device. On the summary page, select Check for Update. Then, according to the instructions to complete updating iPhone. Method 3. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If your problem still cannot be fixed, you need a professional repair tool to help you. TunesKit iOS System Recovery can fix more than 150 iOS issues without any data loss, like the iPhone screen green issue, the iPhone stuck on the green screen, iPhone black screen, and more. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer and open the TunesKit. Choose iOS System Repair section and press the Start button. Step 2. Select Standard Repairing Mode. Next, you should confirm your device information is correct and then press the Download button to download the firmware package. Do not disconnect from the computer during the download process. The firmware package will start to be automatically parsed after downloading. Then click the Repair button and wait for the recovery process to finish. Method 4. Downgrade iOS 18 to the lower version. Downgrading the iPhone version is also a solution. You can also use TunesKit iOS System Recovery to downgrade. Choose iOS Downgrade. Then confirm your information, select the version you want to downgrade, and click to start downloading the firmware package. Once the download is complete, the device will automatically start downgrading. Just wait a few minutes for it to complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.